What's up guys, welcome back once again to Diddy Reviews. Thank you for joining me once again. Today I'm checking out another microphone. I've done a few recently, and this one is from Streamplify. Thank you to them for sending this out. This is the Streamplify mic. It's literally, that's what it's called, is the mic. And this is an RGB mic, condenser mic, and basically we'll unbox it, see what you get, and then we'll do some testing, and we'll test it against this one here, which is the Blue Yeti, and we'll see how well it performs. So, Streamplify mic, as mentioned in the intro, I'll see if there's anything on the box to mention. I'll say it's RGB, it's got 2 audio modes, we'll find out about them. It's cardioid pattern, and it includes a tripod, shock mount, and pop filter, so that's great. So, in the box, we get a USB-C cable to a USB-A, we get a USB-C to C. It's quite nice to have 2 different options. We get a tripod, which is an all-metal construction. Feels really sturdy, that actually. Really happy with that. We get a Velcro tie for cable management, and then we get this, which is your anti-vibration mount, which will go onto the tripod or onto your monitor arm, mic arm if you have one. So that's nice, lots of adjustability in that, up and down, and as you can tighten it up there. And then we also get a pop filter here, which can go over the microphone, and obviously we get the microphone itself. So your pop filter can go over like that, to obviously clear up the sound and stop any pops, as the name suggests. And then this is the microphone itself, and it's quite a nice slim design. I really like that. Looks really cool, to be fair. You've got an RGB ring that goes around here, and then you've got sort of a pattern on the top here. I'm not sure if that actually does anything, but we'll find that out. You've got a lighting button here, a volume control here, which has got like notches on it, so you know it's endless, but it's got notches on it, so you can feel out how far you're going on that. And it's also got a headphone input there for a 3.5mm jack, and it's obviously got a USB-C on the bottom for the connection, and a thread here to go onto your shock mount or onto your monitor arm, mic arm should I say. So let's get this plugged in and have a look. Right, so this is the mouse itself, nice and all plugged in now, and as you can see, it looks really cool on the stand, to be fair. So it's got this anti-vibration mount, which should help reduce any unwanted noises if you knock it, things like that. If you move your desk or move anything on your desk, it should help reduce any of that. And then obviously we've got a volume wheel here, and we've got a light button here, which changes the different modes of RGB. I'll just hold that a bit closer so you can see them. Obviously you've got static colours, which you can cycle through. Got quite a few colours. You can have it completely off, so you can cycle through and have it off. And then you can have obviously your rainbow mode. You can have more of a fading in and out rainbow mode, and then back around to your static colours. So there's not a massive amount of options in terms of RGB. You've got two rainbow modes, and then pretty much your standard static colours, which is pretty normal. On the volume control, also as well as controlling the volume, if you push it in, it will mute your mic and you'll get a red flashing light. Push it back in to turn it back on, you'll get a blue flashing light, and then you're back on and it's recording again. So that's really all there is to show you. Like I say, the stand's really sturdy, and got a lot of adjustment. You can adjust it at this neck here, you can adjust the tightness of these legs here as well, and it's really, really sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere, and there's a nice little addition for it to come with. And yeah, it looks, obviously it's all black, so it doesn't stand out or anything like that, and just sets into your setup. And also you've got the pop filter at the top. So let's do some testing and see how well this performs. This is a test of the Streamplify mic. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a test of the Blue Yeti microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, so there we go. A short, simple video, really, review of this microphone. And I think you will agree with me when I say that this sounds really, really good. There is some differences between this and the Yeti. The Yeti is a little bit clearer, and it picks up less background noise. There is a lot more sort of functions on this mic that you can do. You can change a lot more in terms of the pattern and the gain and things like that on this microphone, whereas on this you've literally got a volume control to change anything, and obviously everything else will have to be with software if you can get it to match at all. But yeah, the Yeti is definitely a better microphone out of these two. However, the Yeti is quite a bit more expensive. I believe these retail for around £100 or something like that. They're close to £100 at least, if not more. And depending on which one you buy, obviously they do different models. This one, I believe at the moment, is only around £40 to £50, so it's quite a good buy. And obviously you've got the RGB as well, you've got the included shock mount. You don't get a shock mount with the Yeti, you just get a standard stand, things like that. So it has got a few little extras that the Yeti doesn't have. However, the sound quality isn't quite as good. It's not as loud either. The Yeti is very loud. You can turn it up a lot more than you can this one. I've turned this and turned this and turned this, and it's not getting any louder, so I assume I'm at the maximum settings, and the maximum settings in Windows as well. Maybe you can get some more software to alter that more, I don't know. And obviously it depends how far you are sat from it, but I'm sat really, really close to it, just so I can definitely make sure it picks up my voice. But all in all, this is an absolutely great microphone. I can't fault it really in terms of the sound quality for the price you're paying for it. It is nice. It's like I say, it's got the RGB effects on there as well for the people that like RGB. If you don't like them, you can turn them off as well, which is nice. Easy to mute, everything like that. So that's really all there is to say about it, guys. Quite impressed with this microphone. I still prefer my Blue Yeti, don't get me wrong, but it is a much more expensive microphone. But for a nice small streaming microphone, then this one is definitely up there, and I can definitely highly recommend it. If you're looking for one and don't want to spend a lot of money, then this one is definitely a good choice for you. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to check out the sound recording again, also you can keep going back and forward to just to hear the difference in sound quality, so you don't have to just hear it once and then forget what one sounded like. You can keep going back. But like I say, thank you for watching for this video. I've got some more stuff from Streamplify coming soon, so stick around for that if you want to see more. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon to get notified when I've got more videos coming. And please, if you liked it, click like. If you disliked it, then dislike it. That's fair enough. And leave me any comments in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.